Your Royal Highnesses, ladies and gentlemen, friends, I'm sorry I can't participate in your meeting in the High North today, but as you know we have a Senior Arctic official meeting this week, and actually when you see this I will be at the Indigenous Peoples Secretariat Board meeting here in Stockholm, so I cannot come. But I'm still very happy that I can say some words to you, and first of all I'm very happy to be part of the launching of the Reindeer Herding and Youth project, which I think is very exciting. And I also wanted to say some words of how Sweden, as chair of the Senior Arctic Officials of the Arctic Council, want to work with indigenous peoples and youth. And from our point of view, we want to sort of focus more of the Arctic Council on the human dimension. The Arctic Council is doing tremendous, excellent job on environmental issues and climate issues, but we have to improve when it comes to the human dimension. Part of this, of course, is focusing on the local communities in the north and the indigenous peoples, because of course the people who live in the Arctic should be the focus of what we do. We are working, for example, on a project on corporate social responsibility in the Arctic, how businesses in the Arctic should work more actively with environmental issues, but also social issues and respect for the local communities. Another issue we think is important that we put priority on is the question of food security and water security, because this is a problem for some of the communities in the north. So these are different things, and we also want to have a better communication with the different indigenous groups of the Arctic Council. I think the youth perspective you have is very good, and of course the Reindeer Herding and Youth project goes along that way of sort of focusing on the perhaps most important group in the Arctic. We also have contacts with a group called LifeLink who want to work with student exchange in the Arctic. So I think much can be done on the youth issues in the Arctic, and we hope to be able to address that more during the rest of the Swedish Chairmanship. So with that, I would just like to say thank you very much for being able to send this message, and I hope you will have an excellent meeting. Thank you.